Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So, I've discovered something interesting about the TubeBuddy. Look at this. Do you see my channel names have how they have changed from here or here also? Do you see those bars? Okay. Yeah, I'm uploading something right now. So let's say I want to play like the first time I discover it. A score of 6. Okay. Let's say gameplay, for example. Okay, 29. We'll go with PS4. And yeah. Let me just insert the magical character. 44. Okay, why not? Insert another one. 50. Okay, it's nice. Let's say Foghog, which is the character that I play in the game, and yeah, people would search for that. Oh, 47. Let me just fix that a little bit with the magic character, and 81. I don't know why this happens, but yeah, look at that score. Can we do it more than 81? Fun. Oh, 55. No. Another magic character. 95. Okay, I'ma change the that video's name. You can get better than that. You can reach 100%. But yeah, is this a bug from TubeBuddy or what? Really, I got. Oh, okay, never mind. It's not a bug. It's working. So yeah, I don't know what to think about this. Is this really working? Because I'm just starting. I'm a new channel and I have 5 views, so that might be normal. But can a big channel test this thing? Yeah. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Goodbye.